Well, there is Buffy waiting for his food again. He's always waiting for his food. Hi, sweetie. How are you? I turned lights on. Hi. Good morning, Angel. How are you? Hi. How you doing? Is it good? Yeah. I'm a good guy. So, Mother, are you ready to go walk through the mall today? Yeah. It was a fair question. Yeah. Not fair for you. Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Well, I'm off to Walmart. Yes, Walmart again. I'm going to get my eyes checked so I can get new glasses. Yay! Like I said in yesterday's video, it's probably been 10 years since I've had my eyes checked, and you know, working a lot on the computer, have a hard time seeing a lot of stuff, and whenever I'm reading any print, newspaper or whatever, I just can't see anything, even with the glasses that I have on now. So I'm more than glad to get them. Look at the sticker on this car here. Stop the violence, vote gun sense. What the hell sense does that make anyway? Well, I'm done at Walmart getting my eyes checked for my glasses. So that cost over about $320, $330. It was $60 for the eye examination, and then with the frames and the lenses is $260, so $320. They wanted me to wear bifocals because I can't see far away, but also I can't read print very well, and I don't like the look of bifocals, so they have those Invisaligns, which of course were more expensive, but definitely need them. So it'll take about a week to get those. It is lunchtime, and look what I have. Grilled ham and cheese and potato chips. Yum. This will be good in my belly. I just wanted to show you guys a breakdown of how much these glasses cost me today, or actually cost Mom. Thank you, Mom. First of all, here's the receipt just for the lenses and the glasses, which is absolutely crazy. Each lens cost $112.50 a piece, and the frames were $38, so the total was $263. And that didn't include the eye examination, which was $60 or $65. Now, the lenses are made by a company, as you can see here, called Zeiss, which they've been around for an awful long time. I've got the no-line progressive lenses. They did recommend me getting the line bifocals, but I just don't like the look of them. You know, I feel and look old enough as it is, and I didn't just feel like having that, so I ended up by getting the no-line progressive. And they're made out of polycarbonate, whatever that is. I know the ones I have on are now plastic. And then the features are, they're UV, they're no glare, they're thinner, they're lighter, impact resistant, flatter, and lens distortion, whatever that means. So $320 some later, and you gotta wait a week to get them. They sure are going to come in handy, because I've been just struggling for the past couple of years with my eyesight. You know, like I said, hard to read any type of print whatsoever. When I try to read it, I usually have to get a magnifying glass, and you know, especially the past couple of years working on YouTube just makes it even worse. So I just can't wait to get these. Well, I want to show you guys my next little cleaning project. It has to do with the refrigerator. And I was cleaning out the bottom drawer yesterday. As you can see, there's a mess down at the bottom I got to clean up. But look at these drawers. Oh my goodness. So we're going to do some cleaning today in the refrigerator. Oh boy. Aren't I a lucky man? What are you doing? I'm cleaning, but what are you doing? You're always hanging around looking for food, aren't you? It's not time to give you your supper. What time is it? You got another hour and 15 minutes to go there, mister. Gonna have to wait. So I will let both of those refrigerator drawers that I pulled out soak in hot water with a little bit of Clorox bleach in them and let those get clean. And now I've got to come over to the refrigerator. And now look how nasty this looks now that I got them taken out. Now I'm at it, I need to do this other shelf too. Well, this shelf here is so filthy, I'm going to have to take that out and soak that in the tub because that's just disgusting. Well, that turned out very nicely. Once a dirty, filthy mess is now clean, but for how long we don't know. And now the refrigerator drawers are now nice and spotless and clean. Well, I apologize for yesterday's vlog being late. I've been able to get them up a little bit earlier, and this one would have been, but it is still processing, and it's been processing for almost 45 minutes now. And it says here on YouTube, this is taking longer than expected. Your video has been queued and will be processed as soon as possible. How freaking soon as possible is it going to be? Holy crap. Well, good night, everybody. Thank you so very much for watching the video, and we will see you in tomorrow's vlog.